Want to use your NFL Draft Upgrade token? Here's how to do it step by step. First of all, you want to open Madden NFL and go to Ultimate Team mode. From the main menu, head to your item binder to make sure your Draft Upgrade token is in your inventory. Next, find the player item that's eligible for upgrade. These are usually special draft player that can be leveled up over the season. Select the player, then choose upgrade or add to upgrade path. When the upgrade screen opens, select the slot that requires a draft upgrade token, then confirm to apply it. This will boost the player's stat or overall rating. If you don't see the option, make sure the player is part of upgrade program and that the token matches the right event or season. Once applied, your upgraded player is ready to use in your lineup. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.